Good morning, everyone. In our last lecture, we started chapter from History textbook When People Rebel 1857 and After. Till now, in this chapter, we read about policies of the East India Company. Nawabs lose their power. Nawabs and Rajas had seen their power erode. They had gradually lost their authority and honor. The peasants and the sepoys. In the countryside, peasants and zamindar resented the high taxes and the rigid methods of revenue collection. And the Indian sepoys in the employ of the company also had reasons for discontent. We also studied about responses to reforms, which was the last topic. And the British believed that Indian society had to be reformed. Today, our next topic is through the eyes of the people. To get a glimpse of what people were thinking those days about British rule, we may observe these two sources, source 1 and source 2. Here are excerpts from the book Majha Pravas, written by Vishnu Bhatt Godse, a Brahmin from a village in Maharashtra. Once, he and his uncle had set out to attend a yajna, means यज्ञ. तो किसी यज्ञ के लिए जा रहे थे वो लोग, being organized in Mathura. Vishnu Bhatt writes that they met some sepoys on the way who told them that they should not proceed on the journey because a massive upheaval was going to break out in next 3 days. कि नेक्स्ट 3 डेज में जो है ना कुछ बड़ा होने वाला है. इंसिडेंट्स हो सकते हैं, कुछ घटनाएं हो सकती हैं. एंड द सिपोइज एक्सचेंज न्यूज़ एंड रूमर्स इन द बाजार्स ऑफ नॉर्थ इंडिया. The English were determined to wipe out the religions of the Hindus and the Muslim. They had made a list of 84 rules and announced these in a gathering of all big kings and princes in Calcutta. And second source is memoirs of Subedar Sitaram Pandey. Second example is of Sitaram Pandey. He was recruited in 1812 as a sepoy in the Bengal Native Army. He served the English for 48 years and retired in 1860. He helped the British to suppress the rebellion through his own son, who was a rebel. उसका खुद का बेटा जो है ना वो वहाँ पे रिबेल कर रहा था and was killed by the British in front of his eyes. On retirement, he was persuaded by his commanding officer. Here are some words which excerpt from Sitaram Pandey. सीताराम पांडे ने जो वर्डिंग्स लिखी थी उसके कुछ वर्ड्स यहाँ पे हैं. इट इज़ माई हम्बल ओपिनियन दैट दिस सीजिंग ऑफ अवध, दिस स्पेलिंग रिलेट टू अवध, वी मे राइट AWADH, अवध, filled the minds of the sepoys with distrust and led them to plot against the government. डिस्ट्रस्ट मीन्स एक तरह से उनके ऊपर अविश्वास करना. एजेंट्स ऑफ द नवाब ऑफ अवध and also of the king of Delhi were sent all over India to discover the temper of the army. तो उन लोगों को भेजा गया कि लोगों की नब्ज टटोली जाए कि लोग क्या चाहते हैं. And these agents, these peoples, make many efforts with the object of restoring the emperor of Delhi to the throne. दोबारा से उनको थ्रोन पे लाने के लिए काफ़ी एफर्ट्स किए इन लोगों ने. And this picture relates to rebel sepoys at Meerut. Attacks officers enter their homes and set fire to the buildings. It chanced that about this time the Sarkar sent parties of men from each regiment to different garrisons for instruction in the use of new rifles. तो उन्हीं दिनों में नई राइफल्स वगैरह यूज़ हो रही थी. तो उसमें क्या चीज़ सामने आई कि इनके अंदर काउज और पिग्स का जो है मांस यूज़ किया जा रहा है. A report got about by some means or the other that the cartridges used for these new rifles were greased with the fat of cows and pigs. Sepoys' minds had been inflamed by the seizure of Awadh. Interested parties were quick to point out that the great aim of the English was to turn us all into Christians. तो एक और बात अब लोगों के बीच में फैलनी शुरू हो गई कि ये लोग हमारा रिलीजियस चेंज करना चाहते हैं, हमारा रिलीजन चेंज करना चाहते हैं, क्रिश्चियन बनाना चाहते हैं हमें. And they had therefore introduced the cartridge in order to bring this about. Since both Mohammedans and Hindus would be defiled by using it. Next thing is a mutiny becomes a popular rebellion. एक सैनिक विद्रोह जो है वो कैसे मास एजिटेशन, एक मास रेबल जो है बन गए, जन विद्रोह बन गया कैसे वो. Though struggle between rulers and the ruled are not unusual, sometimes such struggles become quite widespread as a popular resistance so that the power of the state breaks down. A very large number of people begin to believe that they have a common enemy and rise up against the enemy at the same time. A very large number of people begin to believe that they have a common enemy and rise up against the enemy at the same time. तो ये स्ट्रगल्स होना रूलर्स और रूलिंग पार्टी के बीच में या जिनके ऊपर रूल किया जा रहा है उन लोगों के बीच में कोई नई चीज़ नहीं थी, कुछ अलग नहीं था इसमें, ये स्ट्रगल होता रहता था. After 100 years of conquest and administration, the English East India Company faced a massive rebellion that started in May 1857 and threatened the company's very presence in India. Sepoys mutinied in several places beginning from Meerut, and a large number of people from different sections of society rose up in rebellion. काफ़ी सारे लोग जो हैं इस रेबल में जुड़े. Some regard it as the biggest armed resistance to colonialism in the 19th century anywhere in the world. तो काफ़ी सारे लोग जो है ना इसे वो क्या बता रहे थे, उपनिवेशवाद. एक आर्म्ड रेजिस्टेंस बता रहे थे इसको ये. From Meerut to Delhi. On 29 March 1857, a young soldier, Mangal Pandey, hanged to death for attacking his officers in Barakpur. Some days later, some sepoys of the regiment at Meerut refused to do the army drill using the new cartridge, which were suspected of being coated with the fat of cows and pigs. The response of the other Indian soldier in Meerut was quite extraordinary. On 10th May, the soldier marched to the jail in Meerut and released the imprisoned sepoys. तो काफ़ी सारे imprisoned people जो थे वहाँ पे, जो जेल में बंद थे, उनको वहाँ से रिलीज करवा दिया उन्होंने. The sepoys of Meerut rode all night of 10 May to reach Delhi in the early hours next morning. सारी रात वो लोग चलते रहे वहाँ से. As news of their arrival spread, the regiments stationed in Delhi also rose up in rebellion. तो वहाँ पे भी रिबेल स्टार्ट हो गया अब. Again, British officers were killed. Arms and ammunition seized. Buildings set on fire. Triumphant soldiers gathered around the walls of the Red Fort, where the Padshah lived, demanding to meet him. But the emperor was not quite willing to challenge the mighty British power. But the soldier persisted. पर लोगों ने उनको मना लिया किसी तरह से. बहादुर शाह जफर. They forced their way into the palace and proclaimed Bahadur Shah as their leader. The aging emperor had to accept this demand. He wrote letters to all the chiefs and rulers of the country to come forward and organize a confederacy of Indian states to fight the British. कि वो सभी जो हैं इकट्ठे हों ब्रिटिशर्स से फाइट करने के लिए. The British had not expected this to happen. They thought the disturbance caused by the issue of the cartridge would die down. But Bahadur Shah's decision to bless the rebellion changed the entire situation dramatically. Next topic is the rebellion spreads. After the British were routed from Delhi, तो अंग्रेज़ों के यहाँ पर जड़ें हिलनी शुरू हो गई, पैर उखड़ने शुरू हो गए थे इनके. देयर वॉज नो अपराइजिंग फॉर ऑलमोस्ट ए वीक. Regiment after regiment mutinied and took off to join other troops at nodal points like Delhi, Kanpur and Lucknow. तो एक के बाद एक रेजिमेंट्स के अंदर इस तरह से विद्रोह जो है शुरू हो गया, रेबल शुरू हो चुका है सभी रेजिमेंट्स के अंदर. इन लखनऊ, बिरजिस कादर, the son of deposed Nawab Wajid Ali Shah, was proclaimed the new Nawab. He too acknowledged the sovereignty of Bahadur Shah Zafar. तो उसकी अधीनता जो है एक्सेप्ट कर ली इन्होंने, उनके नीचे रहना एक्सेप्ट कर लिया. His mother Begum Hazrat Mahal took an active part in organizing the uprising against the British. In Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai joined the rebel sepoys and fought the British along with Tantya Tope, the general of Nana Sahib. The British were greatly outnumbered by the rebel forces. काफ़ी कम थे वो नंबरिंग में, काफ़ी कम थे. They were defeated in a number of battles. On 6 August 1857, we find a telegram sent by Lieutenant Colonel Taylor to his commander-in-chief expressing the fear felt by the British. तो अपना डर इन्होंने वहाँ पे जो है प्रेजेंट किया कि हमें डर है कि हमारा जो बगावत काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो रही है यहाँ पे. Our men are cowed by the number opposed to them and the endless fighting. Every village is held against us. The zamindars have risen to oppose us. कि काफ़ी सारे लोग हमारा अपोज करना शुरू कर चुके हैं. ज़मींदार जो हैं उन्होंने हमें अपोज करना शुरू कर दिया है. हर गांव के अंदर ऐसे ही अगेंस्ट हो रहे हैं लोग हमारे. Many new leaders came up. Ahmadullah, a Maulvi from Faizabad, professed that the rule of the British would come to an end soon. He caught the imagination of the people and raised a huge force of supporters. In Delhi, a large number of Ghazis or religious warriors came together to wipe out the white people. In Bihar, an old zamindar Kunwar Singh joined the rebel sepoys and battled with the British for many months. Leaders and fighters from across the land joined the fight. काफ़ी सारे लोग जो हैं इस फाइट का पार्ट बनना शुरू हो चुके हैं. Okay, students, read this topic attentively. Rest of the part of this topic we shall discuss in our next lecture. Thank you.